today's video, I'm going to answer this question. What is the best length for a summarized text response for a high score? That is, if you want to maximize the points that you get for a summarized text response, then what is the ideal length of the response for that? I've got this question from a large number of students, and it's something that pretty much everyone wants to know, that how long should their response be, whether they should type in and try to reach the maximum word limit, whether they should keep it very brief. So what is the ideal word limit? And that's why I'm doing this video, just to set up a guideline, to help you with a basic rule that this is what you should keep your response within this particular word limit. Now, first let's look at the official limit. PTE prescribes a word limit for this question type, for the summarized text question type, and according to that, the maximum number of words that you can have in your response is 75, and the minimum is 5 words. So according to PTE, you can write between 5 words and 75 words. Now it is such a wide range, and that is why it's not very helpful. The kind of response which you will write in 5 words or 10 words or 15 words is very different from what you will be able to write in 75 words. So this official limit as such, it's not really helpful. It doesn't tell you what the ideal word limit is. And that's what I will tell you. And then I will also tell you why we think that is the ideal word limit, that why we think you should write a response between those many words. So the ideal word limit for the summarized text response is 35 to 45 words. Okay, so it's almost sort of midway of what the PTE prescribes. If you write between 35 and 45 words, we think your response will look the best. And now I will tell you what our reasons are for this, why we think this is the best word limit. First of all, it is good enough to cover the main points, right? It's not so small that you will miss any main point, and it is not so large that you will end up just filling in unnecessary points just to meet the word limit. A lot of times I've seen in responses which are 65 or 70 words, they are usually covered with unnecessary points. Just to meet the word limit, the test taker, feels obliged, to write about everything. But in summarized text, actually, you should focus only on the main points. So that's why when you stick to 35 to 45 words, you are forced to think in a way that you only write about the main points. Second, when you have lesser number of words, it's easier to combine them into one sentence. And you only have the main points, so they are closely related, and that's why you can put them into one sentence easily. The third advantage, and very important, is that by keeping the number of words under control, the chance of a grammatical error that reduces. So the more words that you have, and then the more sentence fragments you will have, it will increase the chances of making a grammatical error. So that's why when you keep them limited to 35 to 45 words, these chances they decrease. So these are the 3 reasons why we think 35 to 45 words is the best. So if you want to get a high score, then please stick to 35 to 45 words, and your response will come out looking very good, and it will get you a high score for that. Okay, so that was my answer to this question today. If you have not already done so, please take out some time and quickly sign up for the free PTE course on surewayenglish.com, and check out the details in this video description below So you will find lots of useful materials there. If you've not already subscribed to surewayenglish.com YouTube channel, please do it. So it's full of practice materials and helpful tips like these. Okay, with that, we come to the end of today's video. All the best, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next PTE video. Bye-bye.